I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the content aware in Adobe Photoshop CS5 to maximize a panoramic picture taken without a tripod. First, I'm going to rotate the image. So I took the image sideways so I would get the more image for my money, more height to my picture for a better panorama. I'm going to do some enhancements. First of all, automatic white balance, maybe sharpen it a little bit, put in some fill light and auto contrast. Then I'm going to turn this into a panorama. This is pretty amazing. Panorama is being processed right now by the video software. And you're going to see the waste because we took this without a tripod, so we lose space on the top and the bottom. And again, we want to maximize the image height in this particular situation. Now we're creating the panorama, and this whole process takes about maybe less than a minute on this particular scan. It's not a very large image. It's going to switch screens and show the panorama, so I'll have to show you. I'll have to change my settings so you can see what it's showing me. Now, as you can see in this panoramic picture, what would be caught within the white boundaries is the panoramic picture this would give me. But look at the space we're losing down here because of the black. Look at all, we're losing probably a couple inches on the bottom. We're losing a couple inches on the top. So we're getting maybe an 11-inch high image by about 31-inch, where we'd like to have maximize it, get maybe 15 inches of height. So we'll have to stretch these bars to the top and watch what's going to happen. Okay, after stretching the bars, now you can see the dead space on the top and bottom, which would not make a very pretty image. But again, we want to maximize the size. So we want to have the black, which we're going to take advantage now of content aware, which again works fantastic when you're taking panoramic pictures and splicing pictures together without using a tripod, where you're not very level. I just have to say. Okay, now you've got the image. If you hit rule, you get the ruler to show up, and the maximum size of this image could be about 15.5 inches. You're losing over 2 inches on the top, and you're losing over 2 inches on the bottom, basically, with this black space. But with the magic of content aware, you'll hit your lasso key and you will highlight this area, show a little bit of what the video or what the picture is showing, and just have that black. You want that black to be filled in with the picture. So I'll hit Shift F5, content aware, hit OK, and you're going to see that black dead wasted space turn into a photograph, so you're not losing the scene. It looks maybe a little bit bizarre for the very alert eye, but most people aren't that observant. They're not going to notice this at all. The other thing is this part of the tree, but you've saved this whole area. Do the same thing on the bottom. I'm using my Wacom pad. It would be easier. Lasso tool again, and just kind of trace fairly closely. It's not as critical right here because this is blacktop. Ooh, that wasn't right. I'm gonna hit now. I'm gonna hit the plus key. Shift. The Shift key so I can add to my my outline. Again, Shift. There you go. And again, Shift, and I just get this area. Then hit Control again and F5. F as in Frank, F5, content aware, OK. And then suddenly you're going to see the wasted space filled in, and you've got a nice sized panorama. There you go. Here you got a little archival garbage you don't want. I'll just go like so. Shift and F5 once more. Content aware. Let's see what, get rid of that. There you go. Perfect, seamless. I mean, look at this. Flawless, amazing. Even the girl in the bathing suit, or this person in the bathing suit here, she's got kind of a double butt. You can't hardly tell. The average person, again, is not going to see that. It just turned out perfect. You've saved a picture. So that's the beauty of content aware. I just wanted to show you a little special effect that almost turns this into an HDR image. High dynamic range photo. It's just not for everybody, but it's just an added effect you can do if you want to, just to play around with your settings some. And you can go also on the image, adjust levels, and just play with your levels a little bit if you want to. Okay, I think it looks a little better. Then you can save it. Then you've got a unique panoramic image, 15 inches by 31 inches, a very nice size poster. And again, let's just play with this area just for the heck of it, content aware, and see what we can do about getting rid of this garbage here. Let's just see what happens. Shift and F5, enter. Not bad. I like it more. We'll try this too. Get rid of this kind of white bleaching in the sky. It looks a little weird. Shift and F5, content aware. That's a little maybe bizarre. Shift and F5. Oh, wrong one. Escape. Shift and F5, content aware. Good. Kind of fix that up a little bit. But again, just one extra effect. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on content aware.